Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Here I am, your English teacher, Miss Sadaf Javed. I hope you all are in healthy and in good mood. Today we are going to study unit number 8, Fantastic Fruit of class 5 English. This is part 1. So definitely we are going to start with the reading of the chapter. So kindly take out your books on page number 39. This chapter is interesting, very interesting, because it is about the fruits. We should eat the fruits daily because fruits have much advantages for our body. Fruits are a very healthy diet. In this chapter we are going to read some of the benefits of fruit. Fruit is a fantastic food. Fantastic means very good, extraordinarily good. It is full of vitamins. Vitamins are the nutrients which are important for our body. Benefits mean फायदा पहुंचाते हैं. They have advantages for our skin, your eyes and your teeth, and helps keep you healthy and strong. Fruit keeps us healthy and strong. People should eat at least 1 or 2 types a day. We should eat at least 1 or 2 types of fruits every day. It is really easy to make fruit interesting. Fruits can be made very interesting because there are different colors of fruits, and when they are gathered together they make the dish very beautiful. Have at least 5 different types in your fruit basket at home. Make sure your fruit is ripe. Make sure your fruit is fully grown. If it is not, it won't taste good because it would be sour or it would be hard if the fruit is not properly ripe. Overripe fruit. There are some fruits which are overripe, like banana. They become black, but they are not useless. They have some uses. Banana can be used to make something like banana bread. Banana bread is very delicious bread, and it is made by overripe banana. Here is a simple recipe for a delicious fruit salad. Delicious means tasty. Here are the ingredients for delicious fruit salad. 1 banana, soft yellow, 1 apple, hard or green, 10 grapes, soft and black, 10 strawberries, red, 1 kiwi fruit, soft green, and orange juice. If you did not have these fruits, you can change the color of the fruits. For example, you can have green grapes or red apple. It depends on you. How you are going to make? Instructions are very clear. Peel the kiwi fruit and banana. You have to peel the kiwi fruit and banana. Cut all the fruit into evenly shaped bite-sized pieces. Cut the fruits into small pieces, bite-sized pieces. Display nicely in a bowl or lunch box. You can see over here they are so beautifully displayed in the glass bowl. Finish by squeezing some fresh orange juice over it. After cutting the fruits and mixing them, squeeze the orange juice over it, and it will make the fruit salad very juicy and yummy. Okay, here are some fruit facts. There are soft fruit like raspberries and hard fruits like pears. Mandarins are also type of oranges, जिसे हम कहते हैं मौसम्बी. Lemons, oranges, limes and grapefruits are examples of citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are those fruit which contains vitamin C and they are sour. They are acidic. Acidic means they are sour in taste. All fruits have a stone, seeds or pips. You know that all the fruits contain stones, seeds or pips. Stones are very hard. Seeds are smaller in size and pips are bigger than seeds. They need these to make a new fruit grow. You can see over here, these are the stones. This is the stone of the peach and this is the stone of the apricot. This is of the mango. There are different stones. These are the pips. These are smaller in size but they are hard. These stones and pips are useful to grow a new plant. These stones and pips are not useless. They are used to make a new plant. A new plant is produced from these stones and pips. Stones are hard and in the center of the fruit. Pips are fairly hard and usually evenly placed in the middle of the fruit. Stones and pips are usually present in the center of the fruit, whereas seeds are very tiny and scattered through the fruit. Fruits के अंदर जो stones होते हैं सख्त पत्थर की तरह, और pips छोटे छोटे बीज जो होते हैं वो बीच में होते हैं, सेंटर में होते हैं fruit के, whereas seeds जो होते हैं वो पूरे fruit के अंदर फैले होते हैं. For example, in oranges, there are very tiny seeds in the oranges. The stones are never eaten. We cannot eat the stone. we try not to eat the pips. Pips should also be not eaten. But the seeds are so small they can be eaten. You can eat the seeds. They are harmless. Here are some words which we read in the chapter. Fantastic means wonderful, good. Benefits, advantage, help. Ripe means full grown. Acidic, sharp taste or sour. Display, to present or show. Ripe, mature. Delicious, tasty. Now we are going to do some exercises on page number 40. Question answer. Why should have you fruit each day? Why should you have fruit each day? We should have fruits each day because it helps to keep us healthy and strong. Name 3 fruits that grow in your country. I wrote the name of bananas, oranges and apples. You can write other names of the fruit which are grown in our country. Name 3 citrus fruits. Citrus means sour fruit which are acidic. That are oranges, grapefruit, lime. Do you like fruit? Yes or no? I think everybody likes the fruits. Why? Because they are full of vitamins. They have good taste and keep us healthy. Name your 3 favorite fruits in order. I like mangoes, melons and strawberry. This is your choice. You can write your own favorite fruit. Then exercise B, fruit or vegetable. Circle the 5 vegetables in the list below. Here are some fruits and vegetables mix. You have to circle the vegetables. Grape, nectarine, these are the fruits, whereas carrot is a vegetable. Kiwi is a fruit, broccoli is a vegetable, pear and melon are fruits, blackcurrant is fruit, celery is a vegetable, banana, apricot, apple, raspberry are fruits, spinach is a vegetable, peach, orange, mango, strawberry, pineapple and plum, these are also fruit. Parsnip is vegetable. Here are the 5 vegetables in the table. Circle them. Okay, exercise C is your homework. Imagine, select 5 fruits from fruits you get in your lunch box. The fruits your mama gave in your lunch box, or you can draw them in a fruit bowl. I have drawn the picture of the basket and the fruits inside it. You should also draw the picture of the 5 fruits in the basket and then color them beautifully on page number 40. This is your homework. Okay, read unit 8, make a fruit salad for your family and eat them. Do the exercises on book page number 40. Okay, take care, Allah Hafiz and stay healthy.